Imperial Palace, trying to actually just get a water taxi down the river to back to Chinatown, because my hostel's right on the river, right near one of the piers, so it's just super convenient. But evidently I've chosen the wrong pier to try to get to, because this is just a madhouse. I'm right next to the Grand Palace here, so it's just this kind of wild tourist market going on here. But it looks like, yeah, here we go. Got the pier coming up here, so I'm going to show you guys just how to use the water taxi in Bangkok, because often it's the best option. Often it's the best option all around the sort of old areas of Bangkok. I think this is it right here. This looks like it, but I want ferry crossing, express boat, ferry crossing. Okay, so I think I want one of those boats that you see out there. I'm not quite sure where it's at. This might be it here. Might be it here, yeah. Detection, yeah, BTS, yeah, okay, so that's where I want to go. No, I just want the water taxi. I just want the taxi down the river. It's just right here.
50 baht here. Orange.
Okay, yeah. I did this last year when I was here. It wasn't quite a madhouse. Took it from a different station. This is a little wild. And you pay on the boat, just like you do with the buses. You get on a local bus here. Somebody comes around and pay your ticket. 50 baht taxi, yes? Yes, okay. All right, I had to double check, but this is it. So I got a big queue here. Down there. So yeah, you just gotta come to these piers. Come to these piers down on the river. You can see them on Google Maps if you go on, and you just queue up. But you gotta watch out, because there's a ton of different types of boats. Most of them geared towards tourists, and you pay hundreds of baht. And there's some guy announcing all of the stuff along the way, and you know, it's kind of a ripoff if you're just trying to get from point A to point B. This should be just a thin little dragon boat, as you can see it kind of down there. I don't know if you can see that down there or not. That boat down there is what we should be taking, and yeah, that's only, I think, 50 baht. 50 baht, and you can take it up and down the river, all around the kind of old areas and beyond. And the BTS and the MRT and you know, all the various metro systems don't actually come into the old parts of Bangkok. So evidently this water taxi will actually connect you to a BTS station on the edge of the old town. So it's a really convenient way if you're not staying in the old town, or if you want to leave the old town, to get around along the river and to connect to the metro and the BTS station. And it's about 50 baht, so it's a pretty good deal. Just make sure you get on the right kind of boat, because a lot of these boats are geared towards tourists and you pay a lot more money. And then some of them don't even take you to the BTS station. So yeah, you want the thin little dragon boats that you see, and they're going to get you to where you want to go. As you can see, this is the station right by the Grand Palace, so it's a little bit of a madhouse, but I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You just get on, person walks around, asks for the money, and gives you a ticket, and then you just go up and down the river. So we'll see what that's like once we get going here. Okay, so finally on. Let's see what it's like. taking this fairly far upriver, all the way around to the far side of the old town. And unfortunately, I'm almost out of battery, so I'm gonna have to chop up the video a bit to in order to survive all the way there. See, it's just one of these boats just packed with people. Everyone's standing. I'm sitting on some stairs at the back here. You can see. I thought it was 50 baht. There's only 20. So sweet, less than half of what I thought it was. Bit of confusion, but as you can see, it's pretty chaotic here. Actually, it's 15 baht. Now that I'm looking at it, she gave me a 5 back. So getting squished in here. Stop because I can't actually see from here. I'm in the middle of the boat, so I'm gonna have to although I'm pretty sure I'm the first stop after we go under some bridges, so that makes it a little easier. Oh boy, it is packed. This is my stop. We pass these 2 bridges. See 2 bridges out there. Oh no, wait, I'm the next stop, next one after this. Right, there's a stop between. There's a stop between the 2 bridges, and then mine's the one after this. Okay, so a little confused there, and everyone almost got knocked on their ass a minute ago. So. Okay, this is my stop here. Try to finish this video before I lose battery here. I'm only down at about 3% now. I'm going quick, so yeah, sorry for the inconsistency in this video. I just kind of turning the camera on and off to try to save some battery. But this is me here. I'm gonna get off. Looks like a lot of people are getting off here, so fight the crowd. Okay, made it. There's the boat we were just on, and my hostel is just down there, up 1%. So we made it. So that's taking the river taxi in Bangkok, in central Bangkok. So this may die as I'm talking. We'll see. But that's how it's done. A little chaotic. It's an experience to say the least, and it's cheap. So easy way to get around Old Town Bangkok. So I'll see you again.